Hello, welcome to day 27. It's day 27 of the Aussie English Challenge. We are nearly finished. I really liked the topic from yesterday, so actually I'm doing something similar. Today, I want you to tell me about Australians. Tell me something about Aussies. You can write it in the comment section below. Here are 3 examples under one topic. The topic I am going to talk about is the people and the culture, and you can use these as your talking point if you would like. Example number 1. Australians are friendly and easy to talk to. Australians are friendly and easy to talk to. The people are welcoming and pretty relaxed. The people are welcoming and pretty relaxed. And my third example for you is, I like the casual culture. Aussies don't act too formal. I like the casual culture. Aussies don't act too formal. All right. Well, will I see you back here tomorrow? I hope so. All right. Bye for now.